is up, guys? I'm gonna be doing kid doing burps once again. I'm gonna be telling a story, but stupid. Who happened tomorrow? Tomorrow I'm gonna tell something stupid. So let's get on to the burps. Sorry, I'm just looking at my fish right now a little bit. I'm a little bit better than my last bear video. Oh my god. The reason why I'm watching my fish because my jaguar is just trying to breed. Hope you enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. Mean a lot. Peace out. Trying to hit 100 subscribers. Peace.